Hello friends, I am Rohit Khurana, your host on Intellect Digest, and I'm going to show you 3 ways in which you can cast your screen or a particular app on your smart TV or a normal TV which has a Chromecast. The screen casting is very useful, especially for presentation, teaching, as well as for entertainment. So there are different uses nowadays. You might be finding screen casting useful for teaching your kids. So there are 3 ways in which you can do your screen casting. In some of the Android phones, in this toggle menu which you get from the top, you would find this option called screencast. If you don't get this option, click on this pencil icon, and here you will see it might be hidden over here. So I have it right here, so I don't need to edit that. When I click on screencast, it will show me the available devices on which I can cast my screen to. Right now on my Wi-Fi, you have to be on a Wi-Fi network. You can just click on the device where you want to cast and it will start casting. This is the first way in which your entire screen will be cast and not a particular app. There are certain iOS devices which do not support Chromecast on a display level or a device level. For that, you can use the screen casting option within the app. For example, this is a YouTube app on an iPhone device, and when I hit here, I see there are certain options here, one of which is living room TV. When I click on it, it will cast it on my living room TV. And on some Samsung devices which would not show you the screen casting option, it is actually hidden in the Smart View. Smart View is a Samsung's own way. There are some brands which do it their own way. So when you click on Smart View, you would find all the devices including Chromecast as well as Google Cast devices, and you have to touch on this and it will start casting the entire screen. It will be slightly different from the other two interfaces, but essentially it works the same way. So this is how in 3 different ways you can cast your smartphone or tablet screen onto your TV screen or a smart TV screen very easily in no time. We hope you enjoyed watching this quick tip. If you enjoyed, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification icon for latest video updates. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.